What's going on, brother? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery. And in today's video, I want to speak directly to you. If you're new to the channel, first off, thank you for joining us here today. But make sure to subscribe and also check out our library of videos to help you break free from your porn addiction. But we're going to take a little bit different of approach today. And I just want to speak at the men that are watching this video and are uncertain if they actually have the ability to truly break free from their porn addiction. See, I got a message in my inbox the other day from a young man, very, very young, in his early 20s. And as I'm asking him how porn has impacted his life and what has been the biggest struggle with him, he kept resorting back to this one line, this one sentence. And it's, porn has ruined my life. And that really hurt my heart. You know, hearing a young man at the age of 25 talk about how something has had such a negative impact, and to use the words ruined. And he's not the first one that has said this to me. You know, we get a lot of men that come through our program. We get a lot of men that shown interest in our program and just aren't ready to fully commit to what they're asking them for. But anytime I hear somebody say that something has ruined their life, I just want to help them and possibly change the perspective of what they're really looking at. Here's a young man, 25 years old. He's on Instagram. He's watching my videos on YouTube. He's got his whole life ahead of him. So I think the intention with this video is to let you know that if you're watching this, if you're hearing this message, if you actually have the ability to think about stopping your addiction to pornography, your life is not ruined, brother. You have so much ahead of you. And I know what it can feel like when you're caught up in the cycle of addiction or in the cycle of porn and masturbation on a daily or sometimes multiple day use. I know what it feels like. I was that guy 5, 6, 7 times a day, feeling like the world was collapsing in on me. I know what it feels like to be depressed. I know what it feels like to contemplate ending it all. I've been there, and that is why I'm so passionate about the mission of the podcast, The Superhuman Life, and the mission of our work here at Rebuilt Recovery. It's to empower men just like you to realize that there is a life on the other side, that there is a way to break free and ultimately step into the life that you were created to live. So if anything, brother, if this video can speak to you, if it can be an inspiration to you, that your life is not ruined yet, you have the decision, you have the power, you have the ultimate choice of what you're gonna do. But it's got to start now. It's got to start with a decision. It's got to start with an awareness that porn is holding you back in your life. It is holding you back from ultimately becoming the man that you were created to be. So don't think that it's ruined yet. Now, if you don't decide, if you don't take action, if you don't ultimately change your habits and change your addictions, then yes, it will lead to ultimate destruction. But that's not what I want for you, brother. I want you to live a fulfilled life. I want you to live a life of service. I want you to live a life that is inspiring for you and inspiring for others, and ultimately is the one that you were created to live. So if there's anything we can do here, if it starts with an inspiration, a motivation to let you know that you do have the power to break free from these habits, from these addictions, it is resting inside of you. You do have the ability to do that, brother, but you got to start with a faith and belief in yourself. So that's it, guys. I know this was a short, simple video. If anything, I wanted to act as an inspiration to you. I wanted to speak to your deepest soul of a man, to know that porn does not have a place in your life. It does not. And you are worth so much more to yourself, to your family, to your community, to your friendships, to the world around you. So if you're ready to take action, if you're ready to ultimately break free from your cycle of addiction to porn and masturbation, hit that first link in the description box down there, www.the7stepguide.com. We've written a free ebook to you guys, 7 steps to creating life without porn. But ultimately, guys, download the ebook, book a call with our team here to set up a reboot consultation, and let's find out if our program here, our coaching, is right for you. But that's it, guys. Porn has not ruined your life yet. You have the power, you have the ability, you have the choice and decision that you can make today to ultimately step out of the cyclical nature of your habits and ultimately create the life that you were designed to live. But that's it, guys. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. We'll be back next week with more videos. Make sure to subscribe, leave us a comment, Also share this video with anybody in your life that you know can impact it. Have a great day.